Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we will show you how to get Discord installation has failed. Before start this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. First solution is click on this task icon and right click on Discord and click Quiet Discord. And then go to search bar and search Task Manager. And if your Discord is running, then click on Discord like this and then end task and then check the issue. The second solution is again click on search and search run. Then here type %appdata% and click on OK. And from this folder click on this Discord and delete it. And click on app data and then click on local and here delete this Discord folder. And then go to your Google Chrome and go to this website discord.com/down and here you have to download Discord installer. Try to reinstall the Discord app and check the issue. That's it. So find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel Topical Talks and we'll see you in the next video.